Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Harig Easy Surf 618, serial number 430EZ. Has your DX control. You're going to start your spindle. Nice and quiet. You have electronic hand wheels on your Z and your Y axis, Z being in and out, Y being up and down. Both are functional, as you can see. Also rapid the axes around. That's your Z axis rapiding, nice and smooth and quiet. Then you have your Y, also nice and smooth. You can manually crank the table, or you can set it up to run to reciprocate back and forth. Table speed is variable. You can slow it down as fast or as slow as you want. There's a manual chuck right now mounted to the machine. The machine is presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen under power. Thank you for watching our video.